Here are some healthy weight loss recipes for lunch, along with step-by-step preparation methods. 1. Grilled chicken salad with avocado and spinach ingredients. 1. 1 chicken breast, skinless, boneless. 2. 2 cups baby spinach. 3. 1/2 avocado, sliced. 4. 1/4 cup cherry tomatoes, halved. 5. 1/4 red onion, thinly sliced. 6. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 7. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 8. Salt and pepper to taste method. 1. Season the chicken breast with salt, pepper, and a dash of olive oil. 2. Heat a grill pan and cook the chicken for 4 to 5 minutes on each side until fully cooked. 2. Let it rest for 5 minutes before slicing. 3. In a large bowl, combine spinach, avocado, cherry tomatoes, and red onion. 4. Add the sliced grilled chicken on top. 5. Drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice. 5. Toss lightly and serve. 2. Quinoa and vegetable stir-fry ingredients. 1. 1/2 cup quinoa. 2. 1 cup water or vegetable broth. 3. 1/2 cup broccoli florets. 4. 1/2 bell pepper, sliced. 5. 1 small carrot, julienne. 6. 1 clove garlic, minced. 7. 1 tablespoon soy sauce, low sodium. 8. 1 teaspoon sesame oil. 9. 1 teaspoon olive oil. 10. 1/2 teaspoon chili flakes, optional, method. 1. Rinse the quinoa and cook it in water or vegetable broth according to package instructions. 1. Fluff and set aside. 2. Heat olive oil in a skillet and sauté garlic until fragrant. 3. Add broccoli, bell pepper, and carrot. 3. Stir-fry for 5 to 7 minutes until tender crisp. 4. Mix in the cooked quinoa, soy sauce, and sesame oil. 4. Stir well. 5. Sprinkle with chili flakes for added spice, if desired. 5. Serve warm. 3. Turkey and veggie lettuce wraps ingredients. 1. 1/2 pound ground turkey. 2. 1/2 cup mushrooms, diced. 3. 1/2 zucchini, diced. 4. 1/4 onion, diced. 5. 1 clove garlic, minced. 6. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 7. 1 tablespoon soy sauce, low sodium. 8. 1/2 teaspoon ground ginger. 9. Large lettuce leaves, romaine or butter lettuce. 10. Sesame seeds for garnish, optional, method. 1. Heat olive oil in a skillet and sauté garlic, onion, mushrooms, and zucchini until softened. 2. Add the ground turkey and cook until browned and fully cooked. 3. Stir in soy sauce and ground ginger. 3. Cook for another 2 minutes. 4. Spoon the turkey mixture into large lettuce leaves. 5. Garnish with sesame seeds, wrap, and enjoy. 4. Lentil and kale soup ingredients. 1. 1/2 cup dry lentils, green or red. 2. 1 cup kale, chopped. 3. 1 small carrot, diced. 4. 1 celery stalk, diced. 5. 1/2 onion, diced. 6. 2 cups vegetable broth. 7. 1 clove garlic, minced. 8. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 9. 1 teaspoon cumin. 10. 1/2 teaspoon smoked paprika. 11. Salt and pepper to taste method. 1. Rinse the lentils and set aside. 2. Heat olive oil in a pot and sauté garlic, onion, carrot, and celery until softened. 3. Add cumin and smoked paprika, stirring until aromatic. 4. Pour in vegetable broth and add lentils. 4. Bring to a boil, then reduce to a simmer. 4. Cook for 20 to 25 minutes until lentils are tender. 5. Add kale during the last 5 minutes of cooking. 6. Season with salt and pepper. 6. Serve hot. 5. Chickpea and avocado wrap ingredients. 1. 1/2 cup canned chickpeas, rinsed and drained. 2. 1/2 avocado, mashed. 3. 1 tablespoon Greek yogurt. 4. 1/4 of a teaspoon garlic powder. 5. 1 whole grain tortilla or wrap. 6. A handful of mixed greens. 7. 1/4 cup shredded carrots. 8. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 9. Salt and pepper to taste. Method 1. In a bowl, mash the chickpeas and avocado together. 2. Mix in Greek yogurt, garlic powder, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. 3. Spread the mixture onto a whole grain tortilla. 4. Top with mixed greens and shredded carrots. 5. Roll the wrap tightly and slice in half to serve.